morning, you guys. This is day 2. It is currently 6 o'clock in the morning. Today we're gonna be heading out to some same ponds that we was just fishing yesterday. And today we're also going out with Alex, so 2 people on the same pond. We're gonna get a little bit more bites. No clouds today, so it's very clear. So stick with it. What's going on, y'all? We at the first spot. Got Alex out here. I'm already seeing some fish swim around. I'm trying to be quiet up around here. This is gonna be where I start at with. Sweet. Gotta love starting out with a backlash. It's a clear day today. Clear sunny day. Let's switch it up to the good old chatterbait. All right, let's try somewhere else. Just biffed it. It's all good though. I caught myself. Yesterday I fished all that side, and that's just pretty much a straight just dive off. Over here it's more shallow and I can see a lot of beds. I just caught one over there, but my camera wasn't on. Threw it right on top of a bed and he smoked it. He's about a pounder. Just keep throwing over this little brush pile or brush line and bouncing my jig. Starting to turn out to be a pretty eerie looking day. Oh wow. I don't know if you guys can see it, but them clouds, it was coming our way. They just made a U-turn. Now they're heading the opposite way. Slowly. Let's hope it stays that way. I don't feel like getting wet. Well, that first spot of the day was a flop. We're on to the second one where I caught all them fish yesterday. And you only saw one, but caught like 5. Nothing? What was it? Remember when it was clear the last time we were out here, wasn't it? Yeah, it's very mint green. That's what I thought yesterday. You shitting me right now? If I lose this freaking jig this early, great day. This is turning out to be a freaking phenomenal day. Well, Let's see what we can do here. Let's try Ned. Go rattling Ned. There's a bigger one that bit it. A bass?
No, I mean...
Rattling Ned. Ned rig. There's one double that size that bit it first. Alright, you guys, so second pond was also not good at all. We're gonna head on to Google Maps, see if there's any other ponds close to us that we can fish and that look good, because we ain't trying to get skunked.